thing is, we all have gifts and talents, and if we can feel
Definitely.
rewarded through our talents and gifts, and we feel like this is something special and not feel threatened, but I think
this is also this whole discussion of AI. AI is technology. Technology is there to make our lives easier. People who say we shouldn't use AI, I say, okay, do you take a shower every morning? Because that's technology too.
and then the way before we weren't taking showers, before we were, what about the horse and buggy? Oh, we're getting rid of the horses now. What are we going to do?
To me, that's a non-discussion. To me, AI is there to help us. So the question isn't, is it there? The question is, how do we use it? And that does mean that certain work is just going to become redundant. Is that a bad thing? I don't think so. It's going to be the boring work that becomes redundant.
And it's the boring work that people are going to end up doing. They're not doing anymore. AI is going to be doing. And I'm seeing this firsthand where, oh my gosh, I got AI to create 30 posts for me, for myself. I didn't have to do any work, but I had to oversee it. But ultimately, I had to put in the text box what I wanted.
Exactly.
And how many people really wanted to be social media managers of the company? No, they want to be thought leaders. But